In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn silent mode on or off on your iPhone. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you need to quickly silence your iPhone or just turn the sound back on, here is a simple guide to enable or disable silent mode on your iPhone. Now when silent mode is on, your iPhone isn't going to ring or make any alert sounds, which is perfect for meetings, class, or even quiet settings. But the first method is actually using these side buttons. Just look right above your volume buttons and you're going to see a smaller button or a switch on older models. If it shows silent, then silent mode is on. Simply tap or flip it again to turn silent mode off and it'll say ring. On newer models, go ahead and press and hold that button, which is usually customized to that. Mine is actually set to recent music, so ignore that. But that'll also turn on your thing. But that'll also turn on ringer for you. Now the second method is actually using the control center. If you swipe down from the top right of your iPhone, it's going to open up the control center. Look for this little bell icon. If it's highlighted, then silent mode is actually turned on. Tap it to turn it off. But that's it. Make sure to like this video if this did help you out. And of course, subscribe to the channel for even more iPhone tutorials. It really does help out the channel. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.